Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your math teacher. I am Shugufta Makbul. Please open this book of Oxford New Countdown book for grade 1. What date is today? Today is Friday 22nd January 2021. Today our topic is measurement. What is measurement? The action of measuring something. Look at here, the action of measuring something. And today we will have to length measuring curved line. What is length? The measurement of something from one end to end. We will start from this end and we will go this end. Look at here. Students, when we have to measure curved line, these are curved line and curved shape. So we need a piece of string, ribbon, this kinds of thing we use to measure the length of curved lines. Please open page number 131, length measuring curved lines. The measurement of something from end to end or along its length side. Look at here, length measuring curved line. We have to measure this kind of things and I am going to use this. Look at here, we can, when we have to measure like, look at this, a curved line we will put like this way and we will put a long, look at here, this is curved line and I will go till here. So I can say the length of this. After measuring, I will put this kind of string on cm scale. I will put this string like this way. Look at here, on cm scale, we use cm scale to measure short objects or short things. Look at here, you will have to tell the length. I am starting from here and you will have to measure till here. This is string. Look at here, what is written here? 9 is written here. 9 is written here. The length of this Sarah's ribbon is 9 cm. 9 centimeter. Sarah's ribbon is dash cm long, 9 centimeter long. This is 9 centimeter long. Now I will measure Amina's ribbon is dash cm long. Now I am going to measure this. Let's start like this way. I will have to measure, I will put like this way, curved lines. Measure till this end. Look at here, I am taking from here. So after measuring, we will put this on cm scale to measure the length of this ribbon. You will have to cut like this way. After cutting, you will put this on cm scale to measure the length of this ribbon. I am starting from here and we will have to till, look at here, what is written here? 6 is written here. So length of this ribbon is 6 cm, 6 centimeter long. So we can say Amina's ribbon is 6 centimeter, 6 cm long. Let's measure next ribbon. This is Asma's ribbon is dash cm long. At this time we will measure this. We will start from this end. I am going to measure this line like this way. Look at here. This ribbon is long than other ribbons because of its curve shape. You are seeing here. So start from here. Now we will measure this and we will put it on cm ruler. Now I am putting this on this scale. Look at here. Look at here. What is written here? I am starting from here, scale 0, and I will go till 15 is written here. So what is the length of a SMAS ribbon? This is 15 centimeter long. The measurement of this from end to end, we can say, is measurement is 15. This is 15 is written. You are seeing, you can write like, you can tell like this way. See, you will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 is written here. So the length of this is 15 cm and 15 centimeter long. The length of this ribbon is, a SMAS ribbon is 15 centimeter long. Now we will write here 15 centimeter long. Next one we will measure. This is SMAS ribbon is dash cm long. Let's measure this ribbon. Now I am going to measure this SMAS ribbon. Look at here. I am starting from this end. So we have to measure this kind of line. Look at here. Like this way. I am starting from this end. I am taking from this end. The measurement of this ribbon is, now I am going to put it on cm scale. After cutting, look at this. This is 11 is written here. So we can say this is 11 cm. The length of this ribbon is 11 centimeter. Look at here, 11 centimeter. We will write 11 centimeter, 11 cm. Write like this way. 11 is written here. You will have to write 11 cm. Okay students, today you will have to complete page number 131 on book of countdown. After doing this work, you will learn table of 6 and 7 again. After doing this work, you will have to measure any two curved objects in your notebook of math. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.